Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to cook beef kebab. As I've got my today's one is just a simple one. I've got my oil here, I've got my beef here. It's just beef, it's a beef steak, which is just the meat on its own, and I've got this seasoning, which is an African mix, is for kebabs, and I've got my lamb seasoning here. Well, it's a beef seasoning here with a little bit pinch of chili powder, and I've got my sweet pepper here, onions, and I've got Maggi cube, and I've got a chili here, which I've blended, and I've got my garlic and ginger paste here. So this is my beef kebab, and right then, let's get started, guys. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. Now I'm going to start it off with putting the beef in here. Sorry, mind my code, my voice is so different today. Okay, so now I've got that. Just use my beef seasoning in here with, okay, and okay, that's that. And then put my Maggi cube, obviously I'm not using all of it, I'll just use half because it's not a lot of meat on there. Okay, and then I'll be adding my garlic and ginger paste and the chili sauce. Well, blended that together. Okay, as you can see, I've got all my pepper and my onions and stuff on the side. So I'm just now going to add a piece of my oil. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix all this up. Okay, my hands are all clean before starting all this. Okay. Okay, that is that mix nicely done here. So I'm now going to wash my hands and show you what's next. Okay, as that is done now, so I'm just going to use the spice for the kebab. I'm just sprinkle a little bit amount on it and be mixing that up with. So I'm just gonna start it off. I have these steaks which I've soaked them in water for a bit so they don't burn out, because usually if you don't, they burn really quickly. So now I'm just gonna feed my kebab in here. Oops, my meat is a bit, just double it. Okay, it's just if I do it like this, it tastes nice. I mean, the seasoning is on it and it's just so tasty. God, having kids, isn't it? Got my cold from my son. Don't know where he got it from on this weather. Okay, this is my first piece, so I'm going to do the rest of them. And okay, so this is my first piece. I'm going to show you what the rest of them will look like. All right. Okay, it's all done now. I'm just now going to put it in the grill. And so this is how I get all of it done. I'm just after this, I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna sprinkle some of this on it. So just, and also when I put it in the oven, in the grill, I'm just gonna keep doing this on that. Okay, I've just done everything now, so now I'm going to put it in the grill and wait for it to cook. Today I'm just making a small amount just for showing, so it'll be more quick and easier. So as now that is on, I'm just gonna sprinkle a few more on there. And you see this oil that is left here, I'm gonna use some of this and base that on top of it so it stays moist. Okay, alright. Okay, I'm just going to put that in my grill now, and I'll check that in a few. Okay, so now I'm just checking how it is. It's cooking perfectly fine. So I'm just going to use okay, I'm gonna use the base of the oil and the seasoning that was left on. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the seasoning that was left when I'm just gonna base that on. Okay, okay, I'm just gonna turn it on the other side. Okay, that bit is not done yet, so okay. So that is I'm just gonna put it back in and wait for a bit more. Okay, my kebab is nearly ready. Just got myself a little rice I've made here. Just got, now I'm just taking it out of the grill. Okay, that is really hot. Okay, now nearly burned my steak, which I was trying my best not to. Okay, that is that one done. Okay. Okay, that's the second one done. Okay, so I'm just going to now have my little dinner. I'm sure the kids are going to enjoy me with that. So thank you guys. Okay, thank you guys. Just finished, so I'm just got it into my, so this is how I make my beef kebab. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. See ya.